this is, we've got 2 or 3 comfrey patches around the place. This is pretty much as big as the comfrey gets. You can keep it down, it doesn't have to take over your garden. What it does is it seeds freely, so you might come up with it. It will come up all over the place. If it comes up, pull it up, give a root to a friend, or if you don't want to do that, make comfrey tea with it, or just throw it on your compost heap. Brilliant stuff. Got the buddleia along here as well, so this is already coming into good leaf. Comfrey though, as I say, it's quite irritant. You really don't want to do this without gloves on. Literally all you need to do is pick off when it's getting quite large like this, and before it goes into flower. Once your vegetables are up and growing, especially things like tomatoes, comfrey actually just grab a handful, pull them down and stick them underneath the stems of the plants, use them as a mulch. But the other thing I do every year is, this has been cleaned out, my water butt, get a new old pillow sheath, and they get stuffed in there and simply dunked. This, stick it down there. It will rot down very quickly and you'll end up with a tiny little sludge in the corner. Empty out the sludge onto the tomato bed.